navigating together, understanding, in the same boat. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its idioms. Today, we're exploring a very common phrase that you might have heard or will hear in conversations. In the same boat. It's a powerful idiom that conveys a lot more than just its literal meaning. So, let's set sail together and discover what it truly means to be in the same boat. In the same boat is an idiom that means being in the same situation or facing the same challenges as others. It often implies a sense of solidarity or shared experience among those involved. Unlike what it might sound like, this phrase doesn't involve any real boats. Instead, it's a metaphorical expression used to signify that people are experiencing similar circumstances, especially difficult ones, and can understand each other's positions well. The phrase, "in the same boat," is believed to have nautical origins, dating back to times when sea travel was common. When people traveled by boat, their fates were closely tied to one another. If a storm hit, everyone aboard would face the same dangers. This shared risk and dependency on each other for survival is the essence captured by the idiom. Over time, it transitioned from a literal expression about sailors to a figurative one used by anyone in a similar situation, regardless of the context. To understand how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. During a recession, many small businesses are struggling to stay afloat. We're all in the same boat, trying to find ways to survive these tough economic times. 2. Students preparing for exams. I know we're all stressed about the finals next week. We're in the same boat, so let's form a study group and help each other out. 3. New employees at a company. It's okay to feel overwhelmed during your first week. Remember, we were all in the same boat once, and we're here to support you. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various situations, emphasizing empathy, mutual understanding, and the idea of facing challenges together. While "in the same boat" is generally used to express shared difficulties, the tone and context can slightly alter its meaning. It can be a call for unity and cooperation or a way to express sympathy and understanding. The key is to pay attention to the context in which it's used to fully grasp the sentiment behind it. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "in the same boat." It's a beautiful reminder of our shared human experiences and the strength we can find in unity. Whether it's in personal struggles, professional challenges, or the broader societal issues we face, remembering that we're in the same boat can foster empathy and cooperation. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this common yet profound idiom. If you've enjoyed learning about "in the same boat," don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep navigating the vast ocean of English together. Farewell.